Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Atom Floppa Easy Guide. Open the store, search Atom Floppa, and pick the official listing to start the process. Check all purchase prompts and confirm payment details before finalizing any order. If trading, verify seller history and inspect the item carefully to avoid fraud. Stay patient and check online market listings periodically to find fair prices, rare variants, and useful tips. Getting Atom Floppa safely means following simple precautions that prevent scams and losses. Verify seller history, read feedback, and ask for clear screenshots or proof of ownership before agreeing. Prefer platform escrow services and avoid off-site payment methods that offer no buyer protection. Keep communications on official channels and document trade terms in writing. If something feels off, pause the deal and seek community advice to stay secure and confident. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here. It's great for game soundscapes and timers. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. To find Atom Floppa at a good price, use a mix of patience and tools to spot discounts. Set price alerts, follow official sale events, and check bundle offers where the item may be cheaper. Join active communities and follow credible sellers to catch restocks or price drops quickly. Compare prices across marketplaces and act fast when a fair listing appears. Small timing and research can save money and score rare variants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.